Can you introduce yourself?
My full name is MD Manik Sheikh. My friends and family call me Manik. You can call me Manik.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is Shirazganj.
With whom do you live here?
Actually, I live at Mirpur 2 in Dhaka city with Alon.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 8 members in my family. We are 4 brothers and 1 sister, and my parents.
Describe your daily routine.
First of all, I wake up in the morning and I go to washroom and I wash my face. Then I make my bed and then I get ready for the coaching center.
Is your routine fixed or flexible?
Actually, not flexible, but I try to my routine discipline. And sometimes I try to go outside for walking.
What part of the day do you enjoy?
Every day I enjoy with my roommates and friends, and sometimes we go outside for walking.
Does your routine affect your health?
Yes, obviously, my routine is effective.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.